Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Janine. You may know me as Just Janine over on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I would love for you to head over there and follow me as well, so like that you can keep up with more of my day-to-day life. But welcome to my channel, welcome back for a new video. So if you've seen my last video, then you know that I started Weight Watchers, and honestly I fell off track after having weight loss surgery 4 years ago. I winded up gaining around 13 pounds back, and even though it's not a major weight gain, I'm still around 138. I just don't feel the best, and I know that I'm not making the best choices. So it is time for me to take accountability and start making changes. So I decided to download the Weight Watchers app and I joined the program. It is $23.99 a month, but you can get 1 month free if you sign up and join. Today's video is not sponsored by Weight Watchers, but it is just something that I wanted to do because I think that it is going to be the best option for me since I am busy, I'm on the go sometimes, and I really want something that I will be able to track all of my food as well as get some new recipe ideas and just have a companion that I can depend on and get some information when I feel like I need it. So that is why I decided to join. They do give you a point system. I have 18 points per day, and I started yesterday. So yesterday was kind of like the first day where I was like, okay, I'm gonna start this program. I downloaded the app a few days ago and I was just kind of going through it, learning the app, things like that. So yesterday was day one and they gave me 18 points for the day. So the way that the app works is if you eat any kinds of veggies, they basically give you a point back. So any veggies that you eat, any water that you drink, you can gain points, right? So I have 18 points, but if I eat a cup of vegetables, I would have 19 points. So that's kind of how it works. Also, if you do any exercises, those can also give you points back. Also, if you want to join me on the Weight Watchers app, if you decide to join, I will leave my information down below. We can be buddies on the app. We can help each other stay accountable and share recipes, things like that there. So if you're interested, then be sure to add me over on the Weight Watchers app. So like I said, I started yesterday and I had 18 points to start, right? Well, I failed my first day of Weight Watchers. I winded up consuming, I think it was like 36 or 38 points. So I basically had double of what I was supposed to have, which I kind of was anticipating that at first. You know, it's really hard to go from these bad habits and then just go and like make a change like this. Some people can do it, some people can't. I don't think I'm at the stage where I could just kind of like flip and just, you know, go from like 0 to 100. I don't think I'm there. So I'm just making small changes and I'm using small steps to get me to my goals. So my goal is that I want to lose 10 pounds. I want to be more lean. I want to feel better. My clothes are starting to feel a little bit tight. I've been feeling very bloated lately. So I just overall want to feel better. I know that I'm not making good choices. I have been eating a lot of junk food, a lot of candy, chips, things like that. And it's not serving me anymore. So I want to make those changes. So that's why I decided to join Weight Watchers, right? So yesterday was the first day and I did so good all day, right? And then by the time the night came, I went off track. And if you've seen my last video, you'll kind of get a glimpse of what I ate for the day. I had like a buffalo chicken salad and I had like a frozen yogurt bar, I had fruits, things like that. And then at night, I winded up eating candy, chips. How dare I, right? What else did I have? I think that was really it. I just had some Swedish fish, Twizzlers, apple chips, which the apple chips would have been fine if I would have stuck to one serving. I ate like half the bag, so I had like 3 servings of that. Yeah, that, you know, it threw me off, and that was it. I basically went off track. I should have made healthier choices. I should have had fruits. I could have had like an apple with peanut butter. So I'm not perfect, you know, you guys know what I'm saying, right? So I'm not perfect and I fell off track yesterday. I thought that I was going to do the program. I thought that yesterday was my first day, but I was wrong. But you know what? That's okay. Today is a new day and it is a fresh start for me. So I am back at it. I am back on track even after that fall off last night. So I really need to start planning ahead for my danger times, right? So my danger time is at night. So I need to find a different way to control my hunger. I definitely have to stay more hydrated. I was not hydrating enough yesterday, so I think that that is part of the issue. But yeah, that is what I have to do. I know what I have to do, and I'm going to stick to it. So I'm going to share what I'm eating today in today's video, and I also just wanted to give you guys an update because I felt like I did so good yesterday, and then I fell off track, you know? And sometimes, you know, with YouTube and recording videos, it's like you only really see like a glimpse. So it's like you really kind of only see what I want you to see, right? So I just want to share that realness with you that I started and I failed. It is okay. I am back on track. And even if it takes me 50 times and I fail 50 times, then I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep making good choices, and I'm gonna stop self-sabotaging because that is something that I'm definitely guilty of. It's like, okay, well, I ate, you know, 2 servings of these chips, so might as well just finish the bag. So I have to get out of those habits. I really have to stop that all or nothing thinking and make better choices. So let's also talk about how I fell off track, because I think that that is very important. And being as though I am like many years out, I had weight loss surgery 4 years ago, I think that I can kind of share some experiences that could help a lot of people if you're just starting out, or even if you are at the point that I am at. So it's like things happen in life, right? And I had went through an experience about a year ago that basically like just totally changed everything for me. And it kind of is when I started the bad habits, right? So I'm a very emotional person and I am an emotional eater. So I feel like food has always been something that has just been like a comfort for me. And when I feel upset or when I feel like, you know, things are kind of out of control, I just start to eat and I start binging on food. I start eating candy and chips, and it's like I can't control myself. And I think that the dangerous part is that it's like I know what I'm doing and I still do it. I feel like this is so emotional. I did not want to cry making this part, but I think that I just have to be like super real. But there are going to be times where, you know, you have periods of being emotional, or things are going to happen in life where you feel like everything is out of control. And I just wanted to share this with you guys because I feel like this is just like the realness of it. Oh my gosh, why am I so freaking emotional? But anyway, aside from that, I'm okay, I'm fine, everything is good. I am healthy, so I just want to just make changes in my life and stop that spiral that started about a year ago. So like I said, it's super easy to fall off track, especially when things happen. I've seen a lot of people who have went through this, like something really traumatic happens, or a serious like life issue or life event happens, and we just lose control. And even like in the pandemic, a lot of people gained weight back. So, you know, food is just like a comfort for a lot of people, and it's okay to gain some weight back, but I want to get back on track. And if you want to get back on track as well, then I'm glad that you are here. I'm glad that I can help you, and I'm glad that we can motivate each other. So be sure to give today's video a thumbs up if you like to see videos like this and vlogs here on my channel, if you like to see VSG related content here, and also please consider subscribing to my channel as well. I would love to have you join the community that we have here. We have an awesome community here in the weight loss community. We all support each other. We share our struggles. We share our happiness. We share recipes. We share everything with each other. So we have an awesome and loving community here, and I would love for you to join if you haven't. So here is what I ate for the day. I started off with this Quaker instant oatmeal, the strawberries and cream one. This has 110 calories with 8 grams of sugar. And oatmeal is 0 points on my plan, but not this oatmeal. I was trying to get away with having a good oatmeal, right? But only the regular Quaker oats, like the steel cut ones, those are 0 points. So this breakfast for me was a total of 4 points on my Weight Watchers plan. And I guess that's because this one has the sugar. So I just added some fresh strawberries to this and I was good to go. For a snack, I'm having one of these Laughing Cow wedges with some wheat thins, and I was actually gonna have this protein shake, the Alani Fit Shake, but it is gross. This is the fruity cereal flavor. I do not like this at all, so this is what I'm gonna have for a snack. Cut up a red apple, and I also have this Nuts and More. It's like a protein kind of peanut butter, and I got it in the flavor cookie butter. I got this at the vitamin shop. So here are the nutrition facts. 13 grams of fat for 2 tablespoons, 190 calories, 10 grams of protein. So this is gonna be like another little snack. I didn't have much of a lunch today, so kind of doing this little snacks throughout the day. And then Jason also has his baseball practice today, so when we get home we'll have dinner. I'm getting ready to make dinner now, and I'm just gonna put together a chicken quesadilla. This is like one of my favorite things to make because it is easy, it is quick, it is healthy, and it is full of protein. So I'm using my Mission Carb Balance tortillas. I have some mild cheddar cheese here. So from now on, I'm only gonna buy the reduced fat cheddar cheese, but I'm just using up whatever I have left. And my grilled chicken, I grilled up a nice big batch of this chicken yesterday, so just gonna go ahead and put this together. If I had fajita veggies, I would also add it to this quesadilla, but I don't have any, so it's just gonna be chicken and cheese tonight. So I'm just using my cooking spray. This has 0 calories, and I also like to cut up my chicken into small pieces. No telling where it goes. Here is my dinner for tonight. This looks so good, and I am so hungry, so cannot wait to eat this. So dinner is all finished. Now I have to say, with this Weight Watchers app, it's honestly kind of odd because it says that basically I used up all my points for the day, but I only consumed like 850 calories today, so that's a little bit weird to me. I'm also logging in my FitnessPal still as well because I wanted to compare the 2 apps. I'm not sure how I feel about Weight Watchers so far, but I'm gonna give it some time and see how I feel about it. Dinner came out good. I feel full. And if I still want a snack, I'm gonna have one of my frozen yogurt bars for a snack, and I'm going to try really hard to stay on track tonight, and I will give you guys an update on how it went tomorrow. But I think that I'm gonna do good tonight. It is right now 8:15, so it's kind of late. I did have a late dinner because Jason had his baseball practice, but it is what it is, and I will keep you guys updated on my journey. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to give today's video a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! If I figure out where the road goes,
falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my